Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with someone on Reddit. So if you're scrolling through your Reddit feeds, it doesn't matter where you are, whether on the home page or wherever you scroll down, you can find an account and you can just simply click on the profile. Once you click on the profile, you will see on the upper right hand side where you might see join or you might see chat, right? So whichever one. So depending on the profile, if they have that block or not. I'm going to go back to, for example, home here, for example, and I'm going to choose a different account. So if I click this account right here, and as you can see, this is a page. Now I'm going to just quickly look for a normal user. Let's say this is the user here. You can see on the user page that it shows start chat. Normally for profiles or let's say fan pages, you don't have that direct message for some of them, but you'll be able to quickly see it on a personal page. For example, this one here, I have that feature available and you can simply click start chat. You click on that and here you can just send the message that you wish. But this is how you find it. This is how you start a chat with someone specific on your Reddit account. Alternatively as well, if you're on your popular page or wherever and you see like a post and someone is there and you can just easily speak with someone underneath one of their posts as well. So this is normally another way to go about it. Click on the messages and you can find something or type something under those messages to kind of communicate with the person. That's really it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Just go ahead and click join the conversations and you can start writing.